Hey there, my name is Vincent Ortega Jr., and because you landed on this page, there are a few things that I know about you. You have a network marketing business, but you're struggling to generate leads and sales, so you're not making any real money yet. Or you may be searching online for a legitimate way to grow a business that provides you the income and freedom to buy the things you want and create the lifestyle you've always dreamed about. Either way, we have you covered, but I know how you feel. You feel stuck, you feel overwhelmed, alone, upset, and maybe even lied to. I get it. I've been there as well. You're not alone, and I promise that if you stick around and watch this entire video, I'm going to give you the secret as to how you can generate more leads and make more money from every single person you talk to, even if they don't join your current business. In fact, in this video, I'm going to give you my exact step-by-step blueprint that I use right now to generate over 1,000 leads every single week. Plus, I'll even teach you how I enroll hundreds of people into my business and generate upwards of $175,000 in commissions every single month. And the best part is, all of my results happen without bothering family and friends, without cold calling, without holding one-on-ones that take up the entire day, without three-way calls all day, and even without home meetings or home events that you have to trick people into attending. Once again, I want to stress this to you because it's so important you understand the freedom that I'm about to provide for you with this system, that I generate all of my leads and sales sitting right here in my home office using only my computer. I am always just 5 steps away from my family, so I never miss a second of my babies growing up. And the best part is, it's not just me having this kind of success with the system that I'm about to show you. Here are some of our success stories from people just like you.
Hey, what's up? My name's F. Mack, and with Vincent Ortega Jr.'s online system, I'm starting to generate anywhere from 50 to 100 brand new leads for my business every single week and sponsor anywhere from 30 to 50 brand new reps into my network marketing business.
With this system, I've been able to generate anywhere from 15 to 30 new leads online in my business every single week, and I've been able to personally sponsor anywhere from 5 to 15 new team members in my network marketing business every single month. And I'm doing this all from the comfort of my own home and using this very simple online system. So I love it because I no longer have to tell my team members to hit up their friends and family to host launch parties or home events. And I simply refer them to Vincent Ortega Jr.'s online system, and our downlines are growing faster and easier than ever before.
Hey, my name is Kiara Frantica, and with Vincent Ortega Jr. system, I've been able to generate almost $2,000 in commissions in just 2 weeks, simply by following the step-by-step training which you're about to access inside the members area.
Hey there, it's Sam Trecker. Thanks for watching my video here. I wanted to talk about Vincent Ortega Jr.'s online system. I've been getting great results from a leads perspective. I've been generating anywhere from 30 to 50 leads every single week, which has been equaling 10 to 12 people that I've been sponsoring into my primary network marketing business.
I know it sounds too good to be true. Your upline told you the only way to build your business was to run around like a chicken with your head cut off, going from home to home, city to city, state to state, country to country, like all of the quote-unquote big leaders do. And, to be honest, that's not freedom. So I have some very sad but very exciting news for you. The sad news is you've been lied to. The freedom that your current upline leaders are preaching is actually a lie. I can almost guarantee you their life underneath the fancy cars, clothes, and homes are pretty much miserable because they're never with their family. They have zero time freedom and they are slaves to their business. But honestly, it's not their fault. They just didn't know that there was a better way to build their business in the 21st century. They are stuck using marketing strategies from decades ago before all this brand new online technology existed. They don't even know that a system like what I'm about to show you even exists. But the exciting part is you are about to get your hands on the same system that helped me earn $175,000 in commissions in one single month using only my computer. Remember, I'm always just 5 steps away from my family when I'm running my business. That's the exciting part. So I just want to stress this. With this system, there is no hassling family or friends. There is no cold calling strangers. There is no three-way calls, and there is no home meetings. If you ask me, my life and what I'm about to give you is true freedom. And when you use this system, it's finally possible to build a 6 and even 7-figure network marketing business without doing all those crazy home meetings and things like that. So basically the question is, how would you like to learn how to grow a thriving network marketing business with thousands of people chasing you down every single month with credit card in hand, ready to buy your products? Does that sound good? I know it does. So once again, my name is Vincent Ortega Jr. and I'm not some online guru. I'm just your average American. I'm 30 years old, and here's me with my wife Heather, our son Braden, our daughter Aria, and our new baby boy Skylar. We live very comfortably here in Kansas City, Missouri, and I've been successfully running my network marketing business online for several years now. Things are pretty good. I have no serious complaints because I pretty much have everything I need in life. I'm financially free, I have no debt, and quite frankly, I love what I do. I work for myself, I'm healthy, I have free time, I enjoy vacations and extra special events, and just last year I took my family to the World Series in the premium seats that most people would only dream about. It was honestly an amazing experience, and I feel blessed to be able to share with you that our family pretty much does whatever we want, whenever we want. And then most importantly, my wife and I, we get to stay home with our kids 24/7 and experience every moment of their life. Now, I may not be the richest man in the world, but I've certainly achieved more than the American dream. I have not only achieved financial freedom, but I've also found inner peace. If you talk to the people who are closest to me, they would tell you that pretty much a smile never comes off my face. And so if you want more information about how you can grow your network marketing business online so you never have to bother your family and friends or do another home meeting again, then click the link in the description of this video and you will see our online system. And remember, if you are just looking for a way to earn a guaranteed long-lasting residual income that pours into your bank account every single day and will give you the lifestyle of your dreams, then go ahead and check out our system right now because we pay the highest commissions of any online system in the industry. We have people earning $100 to $1,000, even $10,000 a month with our system right now, and we are just getting started. So go ahead and click the link in the description of this video right now and you will find out how you can get exclusive access to my automated online lead and sales generating system for completely free.